Hello guys, I'm gonna share you how to remove the duplicate records from Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the sample data, John Neal has different age but the same money. So first we will use the conditional formatting to show the duplicate values in each columns. You can decide whether you use name, last name, money, and age, or just name, last name, and money to be the criteria for removing duplicates. Once you decide which column to be used, select the header of those columns, highlight them, and go to Data, Remove Duplicate, and then you choose the column that you design and press OK. Then you get the result that you want.